Today we are on her channel and my channel on Lila and Alexa and
KK Puppy Dog
yeah,
Wilson. KK Puppy Dog Wilson.
and my new name is Alexa and Lila. I'm changing it, by the way.
Sorry, I don't know that one.
So we're gonna be doing Will It Slime. And first we are gonna be starting off with glue. So yeah.
Need to move everything.
And there are some Nickelodeon slimes, but first we're gonna be starting off with the Elmer's glue.
Elmer's glue. The pink Nickelodeon slime doesn't really work, so we might need to put some baking soda in it. That's good.
I forgot we're gonna need some food dye.
Oh yeah, please go get that.
Where is the food dye?
You can use the Kool-Aid.
The blue still has a little red.
So now let's start putting.
When you use the Kool-Aid, use it wisely. And remember, if you're using Kool-Aid, don't use such a special bowl, because it's gonna turn red unless you scrub it.
It's gonna turn like a pinkish
And it
color.
has some water. And it will smell really nice.
Yeah, I dyed my hair.
And you use a plastic fork, please.
Yeah, because you don't want your utensils.
Wow, mine's already forming. I guess Kool-Aid does something.
Mine is a pinkish. Hers is a really reddish.
Red.
Let's start activating.
No.
Putting shaving.
Well, we're gonna put in some shaving cream and a Will It slime thing. So what do you want to do?
Let's add in milk.
Milk.
So we're gonna add in milk.
That's good enough, right?
We have a little bit of milk here. And we're gonna just pour it in for Will It slime. So,
You go first.
don't pour a lot. Just
We're
pour a
adding
little.
a very little amount.
And mix it. And it seems to just make it liquidier. Then you're gonna add the activator on this. And okay. Now let's see if this actually turns into slime.
Mine might be jiggly. It's not how you make a jiggly slime, but I mean,
Mine's not forming at all.
me either. But you gotta add some. And guys,
I think I know why ours is not forming. I've heard that this Kool-Aid does not help. Makes it even liquider. But who knows? Maybe it might not work.
Wait, can I see the texture of yours? Yours is forming. It's just gonna take a while. Mine isn't.
Mine isn't.
I know what to do.
Maybe we might need to start off with a different slime.
Or try
Yeah.
some baking powder.
Yeah, sorry, we forgot to tell you baking soda. Thank you.
And guys, choose it wisely. because this will make your slime thick.
Very thick. So don't pour that much. Don't pour that much because it won't turn out good, peeps. And this isn't forming still.
Yeah, and if you are doing it the way that we're doing it, it will need a lot of baking powder, but mine's getting thick.
And it's kind of. Let me show you
Wait, stop.
what you did. We're cleaning up after this, so don't be like, oh, crazy, crazy.
Ooh, mine's forming.
Mine's getting chunkier. I think it's because the
Baking powder. Oh, baking soda.
I added a lot.
I think we're gonna need some bigger bowls.
Maybe. So.
Can you go grab some? Can I mix yours? Yours seems to be working. Hers is starting to pull.
We need to clean this.
Here, wipe it into your bowl. Okay, good, good.
That fell on the floor.
Get us bigger bowls, Alexa. I think this will slime,
Do it over the table.
but just after a while. Alexa,
Mine
I
looks
seriously need a bigger bowl.
It says overflowing.
Mine isn't really working as well. Mine isn't stretchy. But we can fix that with some lotion.
Now at the end, we're gonna mix our slimes.
If they turn out well. If they turn out too good. Can I use this bowl?
Which probably we're gonna put this in. Oh, mine's good. I might just need a little more of this. A little more mixing. Mine's coming right off the bowl.
Ooh, actually mine is too, look. It
Maybe
looks
we
sticky, but
might not want to put these in the bowl today. But if they're really sticky, no way, Jose. Are we putting it in? And yeah, don't worry if the food thing, this thing gets in your eyes. No, why it is.
contact solution. So it won't do anything to your eyes. It's like getting water in your eyes. So,
Ooh.
can I feel
So
yours?
now we're gonna say,
Swap.
wait. Now we're gonna do,
Name it. We have to name it.
well, we're gonna name it and we're gonna say trash or stash, okay? So trash or stash.
Mine's definitely a stash.
Okay, let me do mine now. I'm definitely gonna stash it. Let me feel yours.
Swap. Ew.
Yours is a shittily slime. Yours is disgusting.
Yours isn't slime.
Mine is totally slime.
Yours is really hard.
Well,
There's still a lot left in the bowl, so.
let's just put this in the bowl.
No! Go get another bowl first. Because we're gonna.
I'm kidding. We're gonna put this in our bowls, and now we're gonna get to making the next slime and see if we trash it or stash it.
So this ingredient that we used was Kool-Aid and
It worked.
Horizon milk. Ooh, mine's starting to. Oh my God! Come here, smell this, guys. It smells so good. And tell me if you can hear a poke.
Mm. Okay,
That's a
guys.
nice dash.
I washed off my spoon and I'm ready to do my next one.
I'm putting on over there.
Now let's get into the next video.
Well, the next
Next slime, I mean, which we're gonna use the pink glue. Here, I got another bowl for you.
No, I'm just gonna use this one.
Well, that's where we're putting all the slimes in.
No.
Yeah.
We'll get
If it's trash,
get a
then we
big-
put it in there.
we'll
we
just get a
mix
bigger
all
one.
Wait, my mom said to use plastic bowls.
It's fine. We'll just.
We can wash it out after.
We'll do it. Guys, it is so sad.
That's what I said the first time I got it. You good? Good.
I know it's.
I know it's so heavy. That's not the
not
right
the-
cat.
Oh.
Sorry, guys, it's in front of you. And yeah,
It's like a gelatin.
we're not adding any color into this.
No.
Mm-mm-mm.
So I want to add shaving cream.
I do too.
Wait.
You're good.
Oh, guys, mine already formed.
Well, it seems like the shaving cream forms it a little bit.
All of it.
Mine's forming too. So maybe this might not be a trash. Maybe it might be a stash.
But that's weird. It lost all of its pink. It's all like white now. It's like a really, really light pink. It's still sticky, so we're
It's
still
not
gonna add
really
some
that
stuff.
good.
So we're still gonna add some.
I'm gonna still add some of the contact solution.
Let's see if this is actually Oh. I think that actually adding contact solution made it work.
I know. Look, it's now on my hands even more.
We're gonna need a lot. Oh, look at this, guys.
We only have a little more time left until we pick if we want to stash it or trash it.
But we also are gonna need a mystery, like a Willet slime ingredient.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Kayla, it's time for you to pick your Willet slime ingredient. What is it?
How about? I think we should add.
She's looking. Water. I tried that before. It makes it liquidy.
I know.
Okay, get it.
We also have this, so we'll do it. I'm just gonna, when you need the water.
I definitely think ours is gonna be a bowl,
Trash.
which means we're gonna put it in the bowl of slime.
Wait, the water helped it.
it couldn't have. But it did. I added a lot. Mine helped.
Do you have
After
any
this,
more?
we're gonna do blind slime challenge.
Blindfolded?
Uh-huh. Aren't we, Kayla?
We need some more baking soda.
This is the last round, and then we're gonna pause the video. And we're gonna get ready to do blindfolded challenge. Okay? Okay, Kayla? Okay, ready?
No. This first we have. Oh, wait. Wait, stop. It's finally starting. Might have just needed that extra kick.
Are we gonna make the blind slime challenge on this video?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. We have our slimes. This is my really, really fluffy one. Can you hear it click? Not the best.
Mine isn't good. Let's trade for a second.
Ew.
This is a hand up slime. I don't know what the
What do you do with this slime? Trash it or stash it?
Trash it. What do you do with this slime?
I stash it.
Trash it. Let's see if it clicks. Barely. And I just remembered it's not called click. Ew, look, it doesn't stretch. It breaks.
Let's just start this blindfolded challenge.
No, that's in our next video.
I know, but we're not posting this video right now. We're gonna do the blindfolded slime challenge. Bye.
No! I'm not doing that. I'm not doing the blindfolded one. We need a bowl to stash the trash the ones in.
So we're gonna do a blindfolded one, and we're gonna see if we are trashing it or stashing it later.
We need a trash bowl.
This is the trash bowl of shame.
No, that's my mixing bowl.
Or what?
I want this one to be.
Oh, this is a trasher. The one the first round. Now let's mix them.
Ow. Wait, no, we're not mixing yet. You have to leave them.
Now let's do the blindfolded one.
But no, I'm not doing that one.
Not yet.
No.
Let's just go get different bowls. Oh, you can.
So guys, in the first round, I had my stash it. The Kool-Aid slime. Still on point.
Let let's start this next one.
I hate poking with one finger, so. Ew.
Now we need to mix the white and the pink together. Let's go. No shaving cream this time because it's just gonna be too big.
Why not? I want to add a little. I don't.
Who's that? And on the top, we're gonna add the white glue. It's been a really, really messed up week. That looks so cool, guys. Mine looks really cool.
So does mine.
Let's get to whatever. Start mixing. Kelly, you might want to move the baking soda away.
It's gonna be a baby pink, a baby, a baby.
I don't think that the contact solution works anymore. People, don't use contact solution, people. My bowl is gonna overflow.
That's why I didn't add so much, because I knew that we were adding both. Mine's starting to form again, because the pink.
I'm starting to form.
The pink guys
Took
not so
over.
good. I cut myself too.
The pink took over. No. The pink took over. Which I mean by it took over on the color.
And by what color got shaving cream. What are we gonna do?
With what?
We need baking soda
Why?
to make it form.
Why there's no more? We have flour. You go get it.
I don't know where it is.
It's up on the thing over there.
This glue.
Mine looks so good, but then I touched it and it was a total mess. On it.
Guys, and mine is just looking like a liquid.
Whether we have flour.
Stretchy liquid.
That comparison. My bowl's gonna overflow in 2 minutes. Can we mix it? I need to get a different bowl. Do it. I'll just use this bowl. Oh. Good.
I see the chunks starting to form.
And after this round, we're gonna mix it
Can I have
all together, and then we're gonna do the blindfolded slime challenge. Right?
That's the last
Right?
one.
Right after this round. Right?
Sure.
I've been waiting to do a blindfolded slime challenge.
The problem is, do you have any blindfolds?
Yes.
You do?
And you can't cheat.
I know. But you do? Where?
Well, we can just close our eyes.
No.
Oh wait, I think my dad does have a little bit of blindfolds.
A little bit of blindfolds. I can't use the middle finger. Not that I would, but. It's gonna be really like grainy.
What does that mean? Wait. Okay, you need to pick that up. Like all up.
It only got on my knee, really.
Yeah, we're cleaning the floor and everything
Oh
after
my god,
this.
I almost just ate this slime for some reason.
Okay, ready. We only have 42 minutes left. Only 5 minutes left. What the heck? I went like this.
I know.
I actually went like that. I just didn't like, oh my god, I want to make King a lamb, so I'm just gonna go like that. I actually thought it was food. 5.
No.
Hey, I'll tell you when.
I need a bigger bowl. Cause
I think I gotta stash it.
so far mine right now.
Is it stash it?
Where is the bowl? Where are the bowls?
Up there.
Up there?
Mm-hmm.
No.
Right? Yeah.
Can I? Oh wait. We will clean this up.
And for the blindfolded slime challenge, we really don't have enough bowls. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna use the big bowl over there, and we're gonna make the same slime bowl.
No.
We don't have 2 bowls.
Well then just one of the bowls that we do have, we'll just clean it out.
I'll use that bowl. Okay.
Okay.
Oh wait, no, because it's gonna move. Five.
No.
Hurry up then. You only have 3 more minutes left.
Just because you're done.
No, I'm not. I'm still kneading it. You only have 3 more minutes left.
What'd you add to yours?
It's a secret.
Alexa, tell me.
Enough flour and enough things that
Sorry.
makes good slime. Are you almost done? Does it look like it? 2 more minutes.
No, I'm not even doing the blindfolded one, so I can keep going.
Lion. She just thinks she's gonna lose.
No, it's not. It wasn't even a contest. Alicia's gonna get so mad.
Yeah, because of you.
Me?
You did it.
Did all this? No,
You did all that.
but I'm cleaning it up.
I am too. Guys, I had such a struggle making a thumbnail for Underwater Part 1 and Underwater Part 2.
We'll have to clean that spoon off too.
No, that's the spoon that we use.
For the flour.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and
I had sparkles in here.
we have to clean it off.
Why?
Because there's slime on it. From our...
Because of you.
Because of me. You're the one who has flour on your forehead.
So who cares? Because you dropped it.
Uh-huh.
This is total smash it. 3, 2, are you done yet? Okay, ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Okay, I'll count slow. 30. 29, 30, 29, 30,
You said 39, I thought.
29, 28,
It's because of the pink glue. That's horrible.
yeah, 27, 26.
You know I'm still going to keep going, right?
Yeah, but you're almost done.
No, it's not even coming off of the side.
Because you're not putting shaving cream in it.
I did.
Put more.
That makes it stickier when I add it. And you used all of it.
See?
Hmm. But then when I take it out, it stuck to me last time.
Guys, I'm still doing trash it or stash it. When Kayla says she gives up, then we're gonna do trash it or stash it. Okay. Okay? Okay, Kayla?
Well, it's almost done.
Okay. So she's almost gonna do trash it or stash it. Well, we are. I already know what I have.
Mine's turning orange. Alexa, can you add more shaving cream?
What is that?
It's turning liquid. Not the slime, the shaving cream.
Okay, bye guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna call yours.
No. Keep mine going.